So over here, you can see that I have a sample form right here, and I'm in the editing mode. And if you want to go ahead and add in a form field called phone, then you can actually go around over here on to add element. And here you can see that phone is an option. If I were to go ahead and click, then you can see that the phone number actually pops up. You can go ahead and say, let's say, for example, mobile number right here as well. If you want to, you can go ahead and make the change. For more settings, you can actually go to properties right here, and you can change the field label as you want. So I can go around and say, let's say, for example, home phone as well. You can go ahead and change the label alignment to left, right, or top as you wish. So let's just go around onto right here or left right here. So besides that, you can set this as a form default right here, just like this as well, and mark it as a required field as well. You can even go ahead and add in a sub label. So it says, please enter a valid phone number. So I'm just going to go around and say a valid home phone number right here, just like this. As with any other fields, you can go ahead and duplicate this out as well. If you were to go to option, you can even enable the country code right here. And you can see the input mask right here, just like this. I can even go ahead and type in, let's say, for example, something like this right here, and then add in the input mask. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. So depending on the number format that you want, you can go ahead and change the input mask as well, just like this. You can disable this out as well. And once you do that, you simply get the country code, area code, and phone number. You can go ahead and disable the country code as well to see the area code and phone number only as well. So let's say I want this format, and if I were to go to advanced, you can see the country code right here. So I can go ahead and say +65, let's say, for example, is the default country code. Default area code right here is this, let's say, for example. So I'm just going to go around and say enter a valid home phone number that you have. So you can go ahead and add in a hover text right here. You can even make this read only, but I do want to collect the phone number, so it doesn't make sense to read it on to set it to read only. You can shrink it out as well so that it takes less space. You can even go ahead right here, hide the field if you don't want it, but you don't want to delete the field yet. And if you were to go to the field details, you'll be able to see the name and everything in a coding level as well. And that is how you can work around with the phone form field. So if I were to preview out the form as per the setting of what we have, you can see that you can go ahead and add in the country code right here, just like this. As I hover over, you can see it says enter a valid home phone number that you have, and you can see the details right below as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the phone field field option inside of form in Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.